Okay, we've let our head set up here. So before we can install the mouth, because we have to make a lot of adjustments on that, we want to drill our hole for our string, and you want that to come center on the back of the head here. So we're going to drill that in. And we're going to use an 1¼ inch drill bit to go down through here. And like I say, you want to go hit your center. Check where we're at, see if we have to go up or down. It's perfect center, that's what I wanted. So we're just going to bore this out a little bit. So we got that where we want this to go. So now we can work on the mouth and get the mouth hooked up. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.